Hi, it's Joan. This hand is from a recent event. It was the National Mixed Pairs Butler that I played in with my partner, Peter Buchen. And there were two stages to the event, the first and then the final. We were really thrilled that we finished second in the final. This hand came from one of the earlier stages, one of the earlier matches in the event. And I've switched the hand around so that we can think about the bidding and the play as well. So we were sitting in these positions. I was sitting south and Peter was sitting north, and west opened one spade. And it went pass and east bid one no trump, which says I don't have a fit in spades and I've got 6 to 10 points and not a great hand. Well, I had to decide whether to bid 2 diamonds or whether to double. And because I had 4 hearts as well as diamonds, I know I don't have clubs, but I said double. And a double is a takeout of spades, suggesting hearts. Peter got my message and bid 3 hearts. And because I've got such a fabulous diamond suit, and I know we've now found a heart fit, I took it to game. Not many pairs bid 4 hearts, but I think when you've got a beautiful, solid diamond suit and a heart fit, why wouldn't you be in game? Let's hope we can make it. So Peter's hand, it was a lovely bid. He had king, queen, jack, 10, 4 times hearts, not a lot of points, but enough to bid over my double. So we think that we'll make 6 diamond tricks and 4 heart tricks of 10. It's not a very hard game to make. I think reaching it in the bidding is the harder bit. The defenders are doing the right thing. They are taking their winners before we get in with the diamonds. They knew playing another spade in the beginning at trick 2 was no good because we would have trumped, which we will now do. Let's trump. And draw trumps. There's nothing much to the play because we've got all the top trumps and we can take them out. And now enjoy the diamonds. We hope the diamonds don't break terribly because well, they didn't, but if they did, we would have had to do a bit more work or we couldn't have made the hand. But looking on the bright side, we've now made 10 tricks and we made the contract. So the big question is, look at West's opening. They chose to open 1 spade. Would you do that or would you open a weak 2? I think really probably 1 spade is the way to go. Partner says pass. East bids 1 no trump. Nothing else to bid, certainly not 2 clubs. They're not strong enough. And we said double. They bid 2 spades to show length. Peter managed to bid his heart suit, which was great. And he also knows that I'll be short in spades because he's got 4 of them. And he knows when they bid it twice, they've got 6. So we've got a fit in hearts, and this diamond suit was a hidden treasure. So we were in 4 and we made 10 tricks. If the defenders try to play another spade and we trump, we might make even more than 10 tricks. But 10 tricks gave us 11 imps. It gave us a pretty good score because a lot of the field didn't bid it. So have a look at the hand, enjoy it, and have a great week.